With hydropower development, we need to be thinking long-term.
Long term.
Long term.
What we want is to improve business performance while taking people and the environment into consideration.
As hydropower development takes off,
IFC can help make this happen. We support companies, investors, and contractors improve their business operations. We are reaching out to
Banks that lend to developers. Banks need to know what the lending risks are and that we have put the investment in the right place. IFC can help low investment risk.
By raising our standards in project management, worker safety, and addressing downstream impacts, more sustainable development means our projects will be built for the longer term and benefit all of those involved. But we cannot do this alone.
You don't have to do this alone. We need to work together to set standard in hydropower development. Together,
we have an opportunity now to learn from others that are on the right track. With solid environmental and social systems in place, we can protect our investment, create opportunity, and limit our footprint on the environment. Together, we can start today.